Indulge in a lazy Sunday luncheon with a build-your-own sandwich bar. Create your perfect sandwich with a variety of fresh ingredients. Take your taste buds on a journey with a macaroni and cheese buffet. Customize your cheesy delight with different toppings and flavors. Add some sparkle to your lazy Sunday luncheon with a DIY mimosa bar. Mix and match your favorite juices and bubbly for a refreshing drink. Refresh and rejuvenate with a fresh fruit salad. Enjoy a colorful medley of seasonal fruits for a burst of natural sweetness. Warm your soul with a comforting soup. Whether it's a classic chicken noodle or a hearty vegetable soup, it's perfect for a lazy Sunday luncheon. Start your lazy Sunday with homemade pancakes or waffles. Top them with your favorite syrup, fruits, or whipped cream for a delightful treat. Indulge in a gourmet cheese and charcuterie selection. Create a delicious platter with a variety of cheeses, cured meats, and accompaniments. Customize your pasta at a DIY pasta station. Choose your pasta, sauce, and toppings for a personalized and satisfying dish. Warm up with a hearty chili. Whether it's meaty or vegetarian, it's a perfect option to add some spice to your lazy Sunday luncheon. Create a vibrant salad bar with a variety of fresh greens, toppings, and dressings. Mix and match to create your perfect salad combination.